Toyota has its Aygo item Go reconsidered. The feature is the new Aygo x-JBL Extraordinary model, which would now be able to be requested from a Toyota seller. Additionally, ready is a superior sound framework with 600 watts and a sum of 5 speakers uniquely intended for the littlest vehicle. 2 tweeters in the dashboard, 2 broadband speakers in the front entryways and a subwoofer in the extra tire compartment in the storage compartment. The Toyota Safety Sense security framework and programmed cooling are likewise standard on the Aygo x-JBL. Also, the exceptional model is painted in dark metallic with a mandarin rooftop. These shading accents can be found in the inside. In all Aygo models from June 2020, the sound framework has the DAB Plus standard for the best assortment of stations in the best stable quality. Every single new vehicle additionally meet the Euro 6 DISC FCM emanation standard, which will be required from January 2021. The exuberant 3-chamber motor, with 1.0-liter relocation and 53 kilowatt, joins energetic driving joy with low fuel utilization.